Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video which is about how to fix your purchase could not be completed. Contact iTunes Store. So as if you are facing this problem and you are unable to proceed your purchase, here I will show you how can you fix it. So as first of all go back to your home screen and here I will give you some possible solutions that can help you to fix this problem. So the very first solution for this problem is that simply open your settings and from here open your Apple ID and from here tap on your payment and shipping. So I tap on this and wait for some seconds. So guys, from here you have to simply remove your payment method for one time. So as here you can see this, I have already removed my payment method from here. So as you will have to also remove your payment method for one time. So I simply remove your payment method and after this go back and from here open your Apple ID again and tap on sign in and security. So guys, tap on this and from here tap on change password. So guys, enter your passcode for your iPhone. So guys, change your password for one time for your Apple ID. So guys, change the password and after this go back and from here you have to simply again open your Apple ID and from here you have to sign out your Apple ID for one time. So I simply sign out your Apple ID and after this you have to force restart your device for one time. So I simply press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So as after this you have to log in your Apple ID again in your device and after this you have to enter or add your payment method again in your device. So as open your Apple ID again and from here you have to tap on payment and shipping. So guys, wait for some seconds here and after this simply add your payment method again in your device. So as after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So if you are still facing this problem then you have to contact iTunes support or Apple support team for further information. So as hopefully after all these solutions your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.